I'm Tom from Sonardyne, and today I'm going to be focusing on our Origin ADCP deployment planning software, Origin Scheduler. Origin Scheduler can be installed on a desktop PC or laptop, and it allows you to plan your ADCP measurement campaign in advance of the actual deployment. It's compatible with both Windows and Linux operating systems, and it's lightweight, so you don't need high computer specs to run it. You use Origin Scheduler to help you plan your ADCP measurement campaign, and the software then helps you optimize for power consumption and ADCP internal memory use. The software then produces a mission file, which is uploaded to your Origin ADCP during mobilization. This process is identical for Origin 600 and Origin 65. Let's have a look at the software and see what it can do. When I start the application, we see this splash screen. There are three ways to create a mission file from here. First, guided mode provides a simple step-by-step flow to help you create a mission file. You're given prompts at every stage, taking away all the risk of accidentally configuring your ADCP in the wrong way. Once you've completed the steps, you'll see a graphic representation of when the data is captured and how your depth cells are arranged with respect to the surface, and your mission file is automatically saved to your Downloads folder. Secondly, import mode allows you to import a mission file that someone else has created, perhaps a collaborator who had a similar requirement to yours. Once you've imported it, you can tweak the mission configuration to best suit your application and then download a new, optimized mission file. Lastly, manual mode is for expert users. It allows you to modify a whole set of ADCP parameters to get the absolute maximum out of your deployment. You can optimize for profile range, spatial resolution, ambiguity limit, and more. And you can do this for two concurrent schedules. So you can have one schedule designed to measure the average current and a second measuring waves, for example. Don't worry, the impact of your choices on power and logging consumption are continuously updated, so you'll always know if your mission configuration puts either at risk. Like all Origin software tools, Origin Scheduler has its quick start guide, user manual, and Sonardyne support details built in. So if you ever get stuck, help is just a few clicks away. You can find these from the question mark icon. And you can also adjust the color palette of the app to suit your environment. Simply click this selector button at the top. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch via sonardyne.com or your local Sonardyne office. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with everything that's new from Sonardyne. Thanks for watching.